An important facet of the DuPont story is that no government regulations or accounting rules prompted DuPont to develop the ROI analysis. Instead, the managers of DuPont were motivated by a desire to run their business better. They hoped that the ROI measurements would help them make better decisions than their competitors. In short, good management accounting is a competitive tool. Because management accounting is a competitive tool, the practice of management accounting involves innovation, experimentation, diversity, success, and sometimes failure as businesses tinker with their management accounting systems. Remember that a good business is always re-examining its internal information system to see whether it can coax any better data out of the system. As a result, there are best practices in management accounting, which you will learn in the succeeding topics. The DuPont story is an example of how management accounting evolves within organizations. This development pattern has been playing out across companies for a long time. Since the first days of the Industrial Revolution, business owners and managers have adopted the best accounting ideas available from other companies and then created their own new accounting system to provide a competitive edge. In fact, a company often regards a good management accounting system as a valuable company secret and rarely discloses its details to the public. The choice of how to collect and use information within a company is part of a company's competitive strategy. For example, no one forced the DuPont cousins to use the ROI formula to better manage their business. However, because the ROI evaluation framework worked well for DuPont, it was eventually adopted by many, but not all, of DuPont's competitors. Nevertheless, the only reason a company uses management accounting is to satisfy a competitive need, and competitive need often dictates that one organization's management accounting system will not look like another's. Managers are always making choices using the available management accounting information. What should be produced? What should be sold? How should the service be delivered? This figure illustrates the central role that decision-making using management accounting data plays in the general management process. The three management functions of planning, controlling, and evaluating generally follow a natural order, at least in theory. In practice, managers are often expected to work with processes, customers, and employees requiring all three decision-making functions at once. Planning, controlling, and evaluating are often part of the everyday duties of managers. Our objective here is to add a little structure to that everyday analysis.